Hello everyone, welcome to GateMate Learning Platform. Now we will move forward in the series of artificial intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, the topic of today's discussion will be navigating the AI frontier. So, the responsible use and advanced prompting is very much important in this age of artificial intelligence. Master the art of artificial intelligence interaction while staying safe from misinformation and scam. Ladies and gentlemen, discover proven technique to harness AI's full potential responsibly. Now, when you'll talk about all those things, then first of all, it will come in your mind that what is the AI landscape. So now we will know the opportunities, risk, and the ethical considerations. So, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, we should understand the exciting possibilities of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can assist with the research, automate repetitive tasks, generate creative contents, and provide instant knowledge access across countless domains. This is very much important in this current scenario, that what are the possibilities of artificial intelligence, where it can walk, where it can give us the desired output, as well as we have to understand the important concerns. So from the deep fakes to biased algorithms, AI can spread misinformation. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to be aware of it. It can be somewhere misinformative, and this can be the vulnerability of artificial intelligence. Understanding both of the sides empowers us to make informed decision about when and how to use AI tools responsibly in your work and daily life. Ladies and gentlemen, as you are seeing it on this screen, that how it can create possibilities, but what are the drawbacks, where it can lack. These are very much important to understand. When you will move forward, then in artificial intelligence, clarity is king. Crafting precise prompts for accurate AI outputs. This is very much important. As I have told you earlier, that try to be specific, try to get the list requirements, and try to avoid ambiguity. Clear prompts yield accurate results. The more precise your instructions, the better AI understands exactly what you need, reducing errors and irrelevant responses. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to understand the context is crucial. As we know that nowadays it is helping us in all the domain. So providing the background for relevant and useful responses is very much important. So what are the important aspect of it? So the first one is that share your goal. When you are talking to artificial intelligence, if you want to get output from it, then explain why you need this information and how you will use it. Provide the background. This is the next point. Include relevant details about your situation or project. This will give the clarity to the artificial intelligence. And next one is specify the audience. Mention who will read this content and their knowledge level. This is very much important. What you are writing is very much focused for your audience. It should be audience centric, and for that context transforms generic responses into tailored solutions. Ladies and gentlemen, by sharing the bigger picture, you help AI generate responses that truly fit your specific needs rather than generic one size fit all answers. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the things that we will have to understand. So, in next video, we will know more.